Today I brought you another easy to follow recipe, making your own fried dry spices. Yes, this is another easy to follow recipe that you can make on your own, and your body will thank you for making it for yourself. Very easy to follow, everything is all natural. Make your own spices and your body will thank you. Let's dive into it. Let's do it. Please watch to the end. Here I added coriander seed, fenugreek, cumin, white pepper, dehydrated ginger, dehydrated garlic flakes, dehydrated onion flakes, rosemary, cayenne pepper, turmeric, dehydrated turmeric, nutmegs, thyme, oregano, and basil. So I'll be toasting the whole ingredients on a low heat. Remember, use very low heat when you're toasting it. The essence of doing this toasting is to allow it to release the oil and the aroma. This is very important. You must do it if you are making any kind of spices. Very important to toast it before you start the blending. Wow, the aroma is already, I can smell it. It smells so good. So now it's done. I have to let it cool. So I try to fill it, it's okay. So make sure you don't grind it when it's still hot. Allow it to cool a little bit. So I'll be using this my dry meal blender for this recipe. I love this blender because it's very good. If you're making a spices, I encourage you to get this blender because it's very good in making your spices. It blends it so well. So if today is your first time seeing my video, this is Glatory. Thank you for coming by. It's not a mistake. You will learn a lot on this channel. Just make sure you subscribe. Please like this video, comment, and please share so that others will see this video and learn also. So you can see it blended so well. I will still blend it more because I want it more powdery. So you see, it came out so well. Wow. Fried dry spices. Will you be trying this? This is very easy to make. If you can do it, why do you need to spend your money buying it? You know? One, you are sure of what goes inside your body. There's no addiction inside. There's no preservative. You know, these days people need to be conscious of what they put inside your body. Okay? What we eat matters a lot. You see, it came out so well. So I'll be blending the remaining batch. Yeah, please don't get me wrong. It's good to buy store-bought, but if you can do it, at least give it a try. Yes. Give it a try and make your own. You will like it. So I'm done making it. You can see it's so well blended. So I have to scoop it into my glass bowl. So let me know at the comment section if you'll be trying out this recipe, making your own spice, fried dry spice. This can go with a lot of things, even with your marinating meat. So many things you can use it for. Here I'll be using this spice jar for storing it. This can contain 500 grams. So let's see how much we made from this recipe. The aroma is top notch. Will you be trying this out? Yes, this is so good. Wow, I was able to get this to 500 grams. So that means 1000 grams of fried rice spices. So give it a try, and I know you will love it if you make your own. It's very easy, and the steps are easy to follow. All the steps are very easy. You can follow them. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. So remember to subscribe, follow, like my video, comment, and please share. Bye.